Okay, I just came into the house and suddenly the bike cut out. Weird. Turn it on. It's in neutral. It's got fuel. Tried to start it a few times, but what's that about? That was in the middle of nowhere. What would you have done? Luckily it started. I don't know what's wrong with it. Try this one. Hasn't been started a while. Kawasaki. No problem. Never had a problem on that bike. That's not the first time this has happened, and I had the fault code check once, and it said it was a fuel injector. Head, poor, cheap, Namman fuel injector. Okay. Now, there's an Inspire Confidence, is it, to go a long way? I've been between Nan and Chiang Rai or something like that for 7 hours on the twisties.